Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making an easy breakfast quesadilla with ham. So, first off, we're going to need some eggs. Put 2 eggs in a bowl here. And we'll beat them up. And we'll add a little bit of garlic, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of pepper. Beat that up. Now we'll just add some ham, chunked up, nice and chunky there. Alright, now we'll just add a little green onion. Okay, now we're going to add a little bit of spinach leaves. Alright, now I beat that up a little. Okay, now we get our pan ready. Set our burner to medium low. Put a little bit of oil in the pan. Let that heat up a minute. And now we just add our egg mixture. Spread out our ham a little bit. I like making these. These are easy and quick and easy too. Seems like the ham piles up on the edge there, doesn't it? All right. Now let's let that cook a little bit. Now we just add our flour tortilla right on top of there while the egg's still soft. Push down on it lightly and get it to stick a little. There. Now we'll let that cook a little. Alright, let's see if it's loose. Oh yeah. You're ready to flip. Okay. Now we just add our cheese. You like cheese? You can spritz it with a little more green onion if you want. You can even put a little bit more ham in there if you want. And you can even put a little more spinach in there if you want. Leaves. Now, we're going to see if we can fold this up. Oh yeah, that's gonna be a good one. Beautiful looking so far. Now we just let that cook a little bit. Sometimes I like to put a lid on. Get it nice and hot and let everything get nice and warm and let the cheese melt. All right, let's give that a check. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Okay, cover that and let that cook a little bit. Yeah, we'll uncover that and plate that up. Oh yeah, look at that. Look how nice that is right there. That's beautiful right there. And everything's just melted nicely. Let me look inside there. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, now all we have to do is give that a taste test. I bet you that's tasty right there. Oh yeah. Okay. Alright, let's see if we can cut into that. We'll use a pizza cutter. And let's see how it is. Oh yeah, look at that. Is that ever good? Or what? Look at that in there. Can you see it? Man, I'll bet you that's tasty. Oh yeah, look how soft that is in there and gooey. Alright, let's take a take. Oh, is that good? You're gonna love these. An easy egg breakfast quesadilla with ham, green onions, and spinach. It's got 2 eggs in there, so they're tasty. Yeah, I'm gonna have to have another little bite. Oh yeah. Well, there you have it, guys. Yeah, the kitchen is definitely waiting to get cleaned up, because I'm getting into my quesadilla right there. I'm not letting that get cold. Nuh-uh. Where the heck did the mouse go again? Damn, you gotta put some kind of beeper or something on that thing. That sounds normal.